Well, it looks like my wheelbarrow has seen better days. You'd think, well, that's ready for the scrap heap. No, not here. It's been repaired once, and it's going to get repaired again. I'm going to keep repairing it till I absolutely can't. But we're going to do the best with what we got. That's how we do it here. Okay, somebody out there might recognize these. Coming from a Home Depot or Lowe's, where they get stacks of wood, lumber, and they strap them. That's what they straps right in right there. These things are free, and now that they're glued with liquid nails and screwed with a bunch of nice decking screws, I think they'll make good handles. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make handles out of scrap. Won't cost anything. Save me $35 buying a brand new wheelbarrow. Brand new cheap wheelbarrow. We'll get it done easy this way. Okay, it's all going together pretty good. I think I got it figured out. I have that wheel going in there. Shouldn't be any trouble. And there's a cross brace that goes here yet. But everything seems to be fitting. And our handle should work. I think it should be stout enough. Handles are a couple extra inches, so be a little easier to carry. Alright, I'm almost done. Doesn't look too bad. I think it'll be solid enough. I had to put an X brace in to stabilize those legs when I first got the thing. It was a cheap wheelbarrow to begin with, but yeah, that wood didn't hold up. Well, we got green lumber in there now. That should work. And there's a bee. He landed on the camera. You can't see him. Oh well. I'm going to try to shape my handles a little bit, make them a little ergonomic, as it were. It's a little bit more comfortable. Let me see what I can do. A little 4-inch grinder and a flapper wheel ought to do it. That's what we call a flapper wheel here. This is a 40 grit. Watch how fast it takes off wood. Pretty quick. So that's what I'm gonna do. Round it off with that. There we go. Instant handle. Looks good enough for me. Grip's nice. That's all that counts. A little comfy in the hand. I'll cut these off here. These corners. just so I don't run into them with my knees. And we'll call that done. There you go. All done. There we go. Looks good to me. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to be half decent. That'll do for handles. There you go. Saved me 40 bucks. And now I got green lumber on there. Should last for many years. Yeah, a little bit of paint on the handles. Looks a little better now. Should hold up for a while. Painted the critical parts at least anyway. Looks a lot better, not all rusted. Should hold up a little while. Like to paint the ends of these things. Try to seal them off. Yeah, it doesn't have to be pretty. Just has to be functional. Could I have sat there and sanded it down all smooth and pretty? Oh yeah. It doesn't need it, it's a wheelbarrow. So, for $0 out of the junk bin, that's the stuff they throw away at Lowe's and Home Depot. I got a wheelbarrow again.